Hi there, my name is Dr. Jerry Overmeyer. I'm the Mathematics and Science Outreach Coordinator for the MAST Institute at the University of Northern Colorado, and I'm going to show you real quick how to use these really great formative assessment lessons in mathematics. So the website is right here, map.mathshell.org, and what can be a little confusing is there's a lot of acronyms going on here. So don't let that confuse you. It's called MAP because it's the Mathematics Assessment Project. It's called MathShell because it's created by this Shell Center for Mathematics Education, which is mostly at University of California, Berkeley, University of Nottingham. And then there's also this thing, it's sometimes referred to as the MARS, Mathematics Assessment Resource Service. But don't let all the names worry you or fool you or confuse you. What we want to do is take a look at these incredible lessons. These are wonderful lessons for teaching mathematics in a very inquiry-based, formative assessment way so you can see what your students know besides just giving them a test. It really allows them to get deep into the mathematics and really, so that really covers the new Common Core standards. So first thing, if we click lessons, we can check out this, read more about the purpose of the MAP classroom challenges. So there are two types of lessons, and again you can read all this and I'm not going to read all this for you, but the important thing is how should these lessons be used. There's two types. There's the concept development lessons, and these are designed to be used by teachers every few weeks, and they may be used in the middle, and I highly recommend this. Use them in the middle of a curriculum unit on a topic. So maybe you're teaching some topic, slope, intercept or something, and it's just kind of, you know, they've done some, they understand the definitions, you've done some skill and drill type stuff. Well, find the lesson on that in here and give it to them. It'll really increase their understanding, and you'll get to see, hey, and they've been practicing this, but do they really understand what's going on? Now the other thing is these problem-solving lessons. And these are designed to be used from time to time through the year. And these are just great, in-depth mathematical kind of projects, really, and they're wonderful. So how do you find those? Well, hit lessons here and choose grade 6, 7, 8, or high school. And what I found working with teachers is, like 7th grade teachers, feel free to use the grade 6 materials because these are at a pretty high level. So don't feel that you need to exactly match up. If you're doing grade 8, check out the grade 7 materials. If you're teaching freshmen, 9th graders, check out the grade 8 materials. It still has tons of wonderful algebra that they're going to be using. And likewise, you know, feel free to go up if you feel your students can handle it. But let's just take a quick look here. Let's just choose grade 8. And so what's nice is there's not a ton. Here's for grade 8. There's these problem-solving lessons, and they are awesome. They're in-depth about teaching mathematics, and then we've got these concept development lessons, which are also awesome, and you can take a look at them and figure out where to plug them into your curriculum. And so let's say we choose one. Let's interpreting distance to time graphs. So let's just take a look at that one. So really everything you need to have is right here, and what's nice is it lists the mathematical practices and the mathematical content, which is great if you've got, you know, administration or anyone asking, what are you teaching and what blah blah. Anyway, if you hit resources here though, what's nice is it's all in one giant PDF. So the entire resources that you will need are in this one big PDF. And so you don't have to print, you just need to make one copy, but it has the student work right in here. And so you can, here's the student pages, and so you print those out, etc., etc. And if we go back, you'll see you can also get things on a PowerPoint slide, which then you can customize, which is nice, saves a little time, so you can just present things to the entire class. Now let's talk about these tasks. What are the tasks? Well, the tasks are, you know, I don't want to like lessen their importance, but I kind of think of them as those things that you would do maybe like, you know, the day before Thanksgiving break, where you know your class is not going to want to do skill and drill. They're going to want to get off task. They're going to want to have some mathematical fun. Some of these are really just kind of fun mathematics. So, you know, they're doing fun stuff. So I would highly recommend this matchsticks one I've done. It's basically how many matchsticks can you make out of a tree? And you let students just explore that. And you'd be surprised how well they get into it and how much rich and deep mathematics that task takes. And again, they are just as a PDF. There's some scoring rubrics and stuff like that. So hopefully this video helps, and good luck with using this, and feel free to contact me if you have more questions.